Oh yeah.
Man United is to do.
Wat is te doen?
En al wat kak is, al wat swak is Liverpool.
Ja, maar het soos jou.
Die Red Devils op Old Trafford is saboe.
Was het lekker?
En al wat swak is, evens op Anfield is Liverpool.
Alle krikkers.
Toe al my Liverpool supporters, julle lyk soos julle doses, julle winters ei.
Wat gaat dat aan nou met die ouens, joh?
Making all kinds of excuses, fuck what a bunch of losers, verloor 4 in 'n ry.
Sommer 4 in 'n ry.
I see United keep on winning, and this is the beginning, back to glory days. And I see Liverpool is dropping, oh Liverpool is klopping, don't know how to play. United's up, United's up, United's up, and Liverpool is down. Oh Ruben lach, oh Ruben lach, oh Ruben lach, is aan nou slot wat frown.